Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to set draft order in Yahoo Fantasy Football. So currently we're here on our app and you're going to go ahead and choose your team. So we have some options right here. We're going to go ahead and choose Rex Rod League, and then at the top you can see the team's name. Then we're going to tap on League, then tap on Tools, then select Commissioner Tools. Now under Commissioner Tools, you want to go ahead and choose Draft and Keepers. And you have some options right here. Now do take note that as you scroll, some of these options will be in blue and some will be in black. Now this is the case because for this team, some criteria are not yet satisfied. For example, at the bottom, you can see Edit Draft Order and Keeper League players. Now this is where you want to be in order to set draft order. But if you tap on it, the option is not going to work. And it's also saying desktop only. So the steps in this video will be applied on your desktop in order to get to the Edit Draft and Keeper League players option. However, we're not going to make this happen because we have here under the last option that is currently in blue, which is enabled, it says finalize team list. If you read underneath it, it says finalize the team list to prevent managers from joining or leaving the league. Then if you scroll down to where you have edit draft order and keeper league, it says set the draft position for each team in your league, assign keeper league players for any team in any round of the draft. Then it says you must finalize the team list before you can use this tool. And that's why this is not complete just yet. So if we go over to the finalized team list and tap on it, you can see that the draft checklist is incomplete. You can see minimum of 4 teams. This is good, but the criteria of even number of teams joined is not yet satisfied. Once this is satisfied, we can tap on finalize teams button right here, which is currently disabled because this has not been met. Now, when the teams cooperate and make it an even number of teams, we can go back and then the edit draft order and keeper league players will be active for you to tap on. Now, when this happens to you as a commissioner, you'll be able to set the draft order in your Yahoo Fantasy League. Now, you can expect 2 options. The order could be randomized now or manual edit. If you choose on randomize now, obviously it's going to make a random setting draft order. But if you want to set it manually, you can choose the manual option and arrange them as you wish. So don't forget the steps to follow on the desktop with the same steps we've had on our mobile version. Once you get to edit draft order and keeper league players, tap on it, and once it's active, you'll be able to make your changes. So these are the steps to follow to set draft order in Yahoo Fantasy Football.